Right, it's Monday the 12th of November, and in just over a week, on Wednesday the 21st of November, I'm taking the motorhome in to get that panel replaced, the one I damaged on that Belgian motorway when we were on our Euro trip. The whole repair is going to cost £900, thereabouts, I think 950. The excess on my insurance for the damage is 550, so I've got to pay that, and the insurance kind of will pay the rest of it. So I decided I'm going to clear the van out, get it cleared out, get the carpets out. I'm going to give them a clean, and generally just get the van nice and tidy, ready for it to go. Because shortly after that I'll be taking it for its habitation and the vehicle service, so I might as well get the van cleared out, and it'll be ready for all of that. So it doesn't look like we're going to use the van until Hogmanay, when we're going up to Moffat to meet up with Bob and Aileen for the New Year Hogmanay celebrations. So let me show you what I'm up to. So this is what I've got to get repaired. Here is this panel here. It's actually come a little bit loose since I did it. And this panel goes all the way around to here, so this whole thing here is one piece, and what they've got to do is they've got to take the door off, because I didn't realise at the time, but this panel goes underneath the door, so they've got to take the door off to change this panel. So I think what they'll be doing is they'll taking all the hinges off, obviously. The hinges off, screws there, there, and there, and there. So I assume that will come off. And there's probably a load of sealer in there, but that's what they've got to do anyway. So I think that parts are about £150, so the panel's not that expensive, and the rest of it is going to be labour. So yeah, an expensive bit mudguard that was. Anyway, cleaning the van. So what do I use? I'll use this product here, multi-surface cleaner, and I always use a microfiber cloth. They always seem to give good results, but I use it for cleaning the woodwork. Well, it's not really wood, is it, but all the surfaces, doing the dashboard, cleaning the dashboard, the plastic, the door trims, plastic above the doors, this panel here, and basically go around with Mr. Sheen and get it clean. Always doing all the panels on the side. I think I cleaned the van better than I cleaned the house, so there you go. It also works on glass, but I tend to use the Autoglym Fast Glass for glass. Use this, spray that. This is really good. The Fast Glass. You spray it on, and you wipe it off with a microfiber towel. That's basically it, and it works on all the windows, the acrylic type windows, the glass windows at the front, the roof windows, roof lights, mirrors, a bit on the telly, but try not to spray it too much on the telly. Spray a bit on the cloth and wipe it on. Panels up here as well. The other thing is you can use it on the front of the oven, so you use it on the panels at the front, the glass lid, it's got the hob, the plastic panels, these plastic panels here on the fridge, good for that. And obviously the windows in here, in the mirror. In the bathroom I use the Thetford bathroom cleaner. Basically spray it on, rub it in, and wipe it off. It polishes up. It's very easy to use. Same on the inside. Wipe it round. And get into all those bits in there. Horrible bits. You can spray it around the bowl. Get another bit of cloth to dry it off. I'm just doing this quickly because I have done this previously. Just to really show you what I do. So it gets it really nice. Whoops. Gets it really nice and clean. And the other thing, you might not realise this, I didn't realise it, is that this toilet lid actually comes off. Quite hard to get off, but what you do, right, so getting the toilet seat off, is pull here, you have to sort of, and eventually the toilet seat comes off, and this is then relatively easy to get off. And what that allows you to do is then to be able to clean around the fiddly bits around the back. And that's where it gets all horrible. So fitting basically is the reverse. Get this bit on first. That, and then get that over there. You have to give this a really good shove. That's it. Really quite tough to do, and then you've just got to find you've got to find the right slot. That's it. And we're back in. Don't do it too often, obviously. Oh. Use the bathroom cleaner in the shower. You can wipe it on and wipe it off. Right, the other place you can use the bathroom cleaner is in the fridge. The fridge is switched off. But yeah, you can get the surfaces nice and clean and disinfected using the bathroom cleaner in the fridge. Wipe it on, wipe it off. I'll strip the bedding. Got the duvet covers, they're going for a wash. Taking the mattress covers in there as well. The covers that we've got on our sofas have gone for a wash. And then perhaps tomorrow I'm going to get the carpets out and I'll go over them with a carpet shampoo, get them clean, and then do a final clean on the floor. And then probably Wednesday, Thursday, I'll empty the van out. So I'll get everything out, and then we'll go around again with the Dyson and get the cupboards nice and clean. And I think the trouble you always get, yeah, see it there, is certainly where you keep where I keep the toaster, is you get crumbs in there. So you don't want to leave those in over the winter. Right, so I've got a Taylormade screen cover and I was wondering how to clean it, so I went on their website and looked at the FAQs, and it says recommend using a mild detergent, warm water, do not scrub, as a coating, as the silver is a coating. So I've got it laid out on the bathroom floor, on the kitchen floor. And I'm going to give it a bit of a wash with a bit of washing up liquid. find a towel to dry it. Right, so I'm giving it a wash. Can't get all the spots out. I think some of them are like tar stains. Probably can't see that. Like picked up bits of tar off the road. And what I was finding was every time I put it on, it was smearing a bit of tar back on the windscreen. So I've done as much as I can without rubbing too hard. That's it. But it does look a bit cleaner. Certainly the water coming out of the cloths was absolutely black. There we go. Anyway, onwards and upwards. So I don't really think we're going to get much of a chance to get away with the van going for the repair and the habitation service in the middle of December. So the next getaway will be in Moffat. Probably going to do a little video for Friday, not a little video, we're going to do a series of videos on how much the van cost, over how much it costs, you know, over a year, because it's coming up to the 4 years that we've had the van, and we'll look at what we like about the van, what's good, what was not so good, and the difference it's made in our lives. So watch out for that video, that should be interesting. Or that series of videos even. So I think that's it from here at the moment. You'll probably catch up with me when I'm washing the carpets.